Good morning, chicken. Good morning, ducky ducky. Hello, chicken. You fly handsome. Thank you. Birds in the sky sing their songs to you. Trees when the birds sing tweet, 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 and the ducks say quack, quack, quack. Hello, and the chicken cock-a-rock. You have to and the dog say the soil and find worms. Very intelligent. When the birds sing tweet, 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 and the ducks say quack, 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 and the chicken cock-a-rock. There are a lot of birds, and the dog say bow, bow, bow. They were able to build their nest. Birds there and there. So we'll visit our dogs. Ikats mo. Bagus eh. Sing tweet, tweet. We have Mick and the duck sing quack, and we have quack, Poppy and the chicken cock-a-rock, and the dog show bow, bow. We have mangoes. When the birds sing tweet, and tweet, tweet, and the ducks say quack, good morning, quack, and the chicken cock-a-rock. The birds are eating our and the dogs bow, bow, bow. Still have mangoes here. All the birds and animals. Hello, I just want to say good morning, Nick. Good morning, Mama Hen and Chip, 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 Chips. Let's see how this small chick and Mother Hen can take this chick from this place. You go there, you go there, you go there, run. Mama Hen, you have to catch your chick. There you are. When the birds sing tweet, 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 and the ducks say quack, quack, quack. Now you fly. And the chicken cock-a-rock, and the dogs say the bow, bow, bow. And how the mother hen is when the birds sing tweet, 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 and the ducks say quack, 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 and the chicken cock-a-rock, and the dog say bow, bow, bow. All you birds and animals of the trees bearing fruit, glorify the Lord and thanks to this wonderful world. You're teaching your chicks how to find food, and the ducks you have to cultivate a little soil, and the chicken very good. I want to and the dogs bow, bow, bow. Mama Hen, you are very, very intelligent. You teach your when the birds sing tweet, 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 and the ducks say quack, quack, quack. You follow your mama and the chicken cock-a-rock. There you are. And the dog bow,